So, what happened, Taylor?
Well, if you caught our podcast called Pass the Salt, recorded every Saturday afternoon at 1 p.m. Arizona time on our YouTube channel, then you might have seen the fiasco with this water cooler here. I think I broke it.
What do you mean you think you broke it?
Hold on. And now time for the weirdest episode of Tet for Thought we've ever done. Because of some manner of bullshittery, water cooler is broken. We're gonna fix it. So, I guess we should demonstrate what exactly is wrong with it first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's just go
It doesn't dispense water.
Well, it does, just not...
It does it very effectively.
So just line this up here. I think it goes like this because of this little metal hook going into there. So, but if you have it like this, just push it down in there, grab the water. That happens. Luckily that tray is going to catch most of it. But it's not pressed down or anything. Yeah. It's just going. So, it's time for us to fix it. First things first. Get this out. Okay.
So it does say front there, so we at least know that much, that it goes
like that, yeah.
in here. It should go towards the back, specifically.
That was a fun noise.
Yeah.
So what was that?
Nice.
I think it was hooked onto the side there, but
Okay. What is...
I think it's supposed to go to the back like this.
Okay.
Test 2?
Oh. Is that it? Was that literally it? Okay.
I was right.
No. No.
And Matt.
No.
Oh, I was fucking wrong.
Just kidding. Okay.
Well, we might want to do this outside.
It's alright.
Okay. Do you have your iFixit kit?
Somebody did not replace that properly.
Oh, no, it's just upside down.
Oh, okay. Duh.
Okay, so that was a massive failure. I thought it worked.
Didn't.
No.
Okay.
So now we have to break in a little bit of... We took it outside because of how much water was pouring out, and had to break into it, I guess. What'd you do? I didn't break something.
What'd you do, Matt?
What did I do? I broke something, apparently.
Okay, so these parts can go away for now.
Better be safe than sorry. I assume these are like the same screws.
Probably. Hopefully. Okay.
Okay, so that's...
Oh, we're in.
Okay. Okay, that popped up rather easily.
We're good. Nothing broke.
I got just like a money shot there of water to the face, though.
Oh.
Is this actuating properly?
It looks like it, actually.
I think I see the problem.
What is it?
See down here, this?
Yeah.
Looks like it's fallen over more than it should be. Okay, they're the type that like clipped in there. Well, for lack of better things to do right now. So notice how this part right here is not in place, like the counterpart over here. So we're gonna need to be able to kind of move that around because it's currently stuck in this hole, causing it to lift. So I need to pry that forward and push it down.
Like that.
Well, off there now, which is a step in the right direction. Cut that in 4K. Okay,
That might be it.
so that should hopefully be it because that looks like it's laying flat now.
Okay.
Okay. Before anything, pour some water into there.
Yeah.
So let's try that.
Yeah.
Sean, if you want to get go to the front.
Money shots here. No. All right. Let's see.
All right. Okay, is it leaking at all?
No.
No. Victory.
But it's also not working.
Not
Well,
victory.
Well,
I'm trying to, hold on, let me see
because it's got to go through the pump of the cooling element.
Okay, let me see the...
That's the only thing I could figure. What we could do is we can quickly run power from outside to, or inside to outside here, and then just try plugging it in. Then flip it on, see if it works.
Sure. Okay, hold on.
Do we have any sponsors for this
Kinda
video?
Viewers like you. Turn it on. Watch out, Taylor.
Yep. Get money shotted again. I'm good, thanks.
Okay, in theory, like that should be right.
Hey!
Okay, so it is a pressure thing.
Okay,
So it fits.
I think so. Alright, so...
Time to review the water. Go get a cup.
The amount of water that's spilt in the kitchen,
Really?
we should probably clean that up. Probably not cold just yet.
A little bit below room temp.
Okay, I was about to say, it probably needs some time.
Yeah.
It's not a very fast cooler.
Nice and hot.
That one actually like hot right off the bat.
Oh,
Woo, that's hot.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's actually really hot.
I think there's literally a sign somewhere that says not to do what you just did. We're not total degenerates here.
I mean,
Total.
let's be gentle about this now.
Let's be gentle about this, he says, and then proceeds to
Perform for constant maintenance.
Yeah,
And guess what?
it worked. No, it's not quite.
He's fucking up in 4K.
Thank you.
What's the aperture you usually use inside? Is it...
Like 2.6 minimum, or like literally the lowest it can fucking go.
Oof.
Because we don't have enough light.
Okay, if it was dark during that part of it, I'm so sorry. It was Matt's fault.
See, unlike Apple, this designer does a good job because he uses the
That
same
is true.
screws on multiple parts.
That is true.
Alright,
And now,
going for that.
Oh, I have to get up.
sorry, these parts are probably cleaner than when they came from the factory.
You don't want that nice asbestos on there.
Nah. Yeah.
Alright, now towards the back.
Yeah, I'm aware. Thank you. Good. Cool. Okay, that works.
Alright.
Here you go.
And it breaks again.
Job done. So, because we're doing a repair and a review at the same time, tell me about your experience with this water cooler.
Well, it's been pretty good up until today, in all honesty. It hasn't had any issues. So,
This table is still wet.
yes. Yeah, it hasn't had any issues up until today.
Okay. Would you say the coolness of the water is an acceptable temperature?
Yes, I always find the water sufficiently cool for my needs.
Would you prefer to have it cooler though?
Honestly, no, not really. It's actually like healthier not to drink like ice cold water.
How about the heat? What about that heat? Do you find it nice?
Nice and hot.
Is it like a sauna?
Yes. I could pretty much just like drench a towel in it and then just steam my face if I ever wanted to.
Think that'll do it?
I think that'll do it.
If you actually make it to the end of this video, thanks.
You're a real one.
If you made it to the end,
Make sure you like
and subscribe.
and comment.
Yeah.
Most of all, comment.
Well, what that'll do, if you wish to share this abomination of a video, go ahead and do so on Twitter and Instagram. I'll probably post this when we publish it. We do thank you for watching, and we'll see you next
Bye.
time.
Alright, so
Fuck it.